The Major Mitchell's cockatoo is a small, largely white cockatoo with pink on the sides of its head, around its neck, on its underbody, and under its wings. The crest appears white when folded, but when raised and spread it has a broad red band with a yellow stripe through the middle. Major Mitchell's cockatoos are omnivorous, eating the seeds of grasses, shrubs and trees, as well as roots and bulbs, and insect larvae. These are taken from the ground or while perched in plants. Major Mitchell's cockatoos often occur in flocks, but unlike the other species, these flocks are seldom large. They are a feast for the eyes and a joy to watch in the outback.